Your phone knows you better than your best friend, your car can practically drive itself, and the movie you are about to watch, it was picked just for you by an invisible force. This isn't magic, and it's definitely not science fiction anymore. It's artificial intelligence, and it's already running the world around you. I'm Katarina, and in this video I'm going to reveal what's really behind this incredible technology. We are going to break down exactly what AI is, how this intelligent system actually learn, and show you real-world examples of AI you're interacting with every single day. Plus, we'll explore the enormous benefits AI brings and even tackle some of the critical dangers and challenges we need to consider. At its core, artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the ability of computer systems to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Think about it: reasoning, learning, solving problems, making decisions. If a machine can do that, it's operating with AI. It's a huge, broad field encompassing many different techniques and technologies. But the key principle behind almost all AI? Data. AI systems get smarter by analyzing huge amounts of data. They find patterns, connections, and relationships that even the smartest human might miss. It's like giving a student every textbook ever written and telling them to find all the hidden links. Let's break down some of the core ideas that define AI. Mimicking human intelligence. It's not about being human, but about acting intelligently. AI systems perceive the environment, understand information, learn, and then respond in ways that resemble human thought. But AI's intelligence isn't static. In fact, one of its most critical features is its capability for learning and adaptation. This is crucial. AI isn't just programmed with rules. It learns from the experience. The more data it gets, the better it becomes. Think of it like practicing a skill. The more you do it, the better you get. And this ability to learn enables AI to excel at problem solving and decision making. This is where AI really shines for complex tasks. It can analyze situations, predict outcomes, and automate decisions, often much faster and more consistently than we can. Beyond just learning and making decisions, AI's real power lies in its versatility. That's why you'll find it showing up in diverse applications. And this is why AI is everywhere, from recognizing faces in photos to understanding your spoken comments. Okay, enough with the theory. Let's talk about AI in action. You've probably interacted with AI far more often than you realize. One example is virtual assistants. Ever asked Siri a question or told Alexa to play your favorite song? That's AI processing your voice, understanding your intent, and executing a command. And speaking of things that know what you want, AI also excels at recommendation systems. This next captivating show on Netflix, the perfect product on Amazon, or your new favorite song on Spotify, all powered by AI algorithms analyzing your preferences and predicting what you'd love next. But AI isn't just about personalizing your entertainment. It's also at the forefront of some major technological shifts like self-driving cars. This is a big one. AI is the brain of autonomous vehicles, allowing them to navigate complex environments, identify objects, and make split-second decisions safely. And on the topic of safety, AI is also a crucial silent guardian in our financial lives. For example, fraud detection. Your bank uses AI to keep your money safe. It analyzes millions of transactions in real time, looking for unusual patterns that might signal fraudulent activity. Pretty cool, right? These examples just scratch the surface, but they clearly show why AI is such a game changer. The benefits are enormous. First is an automation. AI can take over repetitive, tedious, or dangerous tasks. Imagine robots inspecting products for defects in the factory, or AI continuously monitoring network traffic for cybersecurity threats. This frees us up for more creative, higher impact work. And with this automation comes another critical advantage: a drastic reduction in mistakes. Reduced human error. AI doesn't get tired, distracted, or make typos. For tasks like data processing or manufacturing assembly, it can virtually eliminate manual errors by following processes precisely every single time. This incredible precision is only possible because AI can also operate at a scale and speed humans simply can't match. AI can process and analyze vast amounts of information far quicker than any human. It finds patterns and relationships in data that we simply wouldn't have the time or capacity to uncover. But it's not just about how fast AI works. It's also about its relentless consistency, infinite availability. Unlike us, AI doesn't need coffee breaks, sleep, or weekends, especially when running in the cloud. AI can be always on, continuously working on its assigned tasks. And this constant, tireless processing power is driving some of the most significant breakthroughs in human history, accelerated research and development. Think about finding new medical treatments or mapping the human genome. AI's ability to analyze huge datasets rapidly is accelerating breakthrough across science and industry. Now, it's not all sunshine and robots delivering pizza. While the potential benefits are incredible, we also need to be aware of the potential dangers and challenges. Potential dangers are job loss. This is a big concern for many. As automation increases, some jobs may be replaced by AI. And as AI takes on more roles, we also face critical ethical questions, and especially when it comes to the data it learns from. AI systems learn from the data they are fed. If that data is biased, the AI will learn and perpetuate those biases, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Beyond internal biases, the very power of AI can also become a target, leading us to significant security challenges. As AI becomes more powerful, it can also be exploited by malicious actors, posing new cybersecurity risks. But it's not just about what bad actors can do. Sometimes the danger comes from simply not understanding how AI makes its decision. This black box problem can lead to less than optimal or unpredictable solutions. And speaking of unpredictable outcomes, AI's ability to create new content quickly brings a whole new set of concerns. And here comes misinformation. The ability to generate new content quickly also comes with the danger of creating and spreading misinformation or even inadvertently violating laws and regulations. Alright, you've learned a ton about AI so far. Now, how about we put that new knowledge to the test? I've put together a quick fun test to see how much you've absorbed. Head over to the link in the description below this video, take the quiz, and come back to tell me how you did in the comments. It's a great way to solidify what you've learned. So, where does it leave us? AI is not just a futuristic concept. It's a powerful tool that's here now and rapidly evolving. It automates tasks and enhances our daily lives in countless ways. But like any powerful technology, it comes with responsibilities. Understanding AI, its capabilities, its limitations is crucial for all of us as we move forward. It's about leveraging its immense power for good while actively addressing the ethical challenges it presents. What are your thoughts on AI? Are you excited, concerned, or a bit of both? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with a friend who is curious about AI, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into technology and how it impacts our world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.